Alright y'all, so I'm in Lowe's trying to figure out what kind of fertilizer I want, or plant food. God, I can't talk. So I'm really thinking about fish fertilizer, but I'm also looking at this concentrated plant food. It says bigger harvest guaranteed. We're gonna see about that. They also got these food sticks right here. I don't know. I already have earthworm castings. I've been putting that on all my plants lately, mixing it up. We got the fruit tree fertilizer, but I've heard amazing things about this, so I think I'm gonna get this. I also got a few seeds, a few trees. Son trying to tell my nerves up, y'all. I got some soil, some plants, some seeds, and some fish fertilizer. So stop. What you think about Farrah? What you think about these? They pretty? Pretty flowers. Sit down. Oh, I want these so bad. I don't really have no room in my cart though. They're dragon's breath, and they feel like how a braid feels. This is the only color they have in them though. I want them in every color. Every color. Get your mouth off that. Yeah. Yeah. I think I'm gonna get it, y'all. I think I'm gonna get it. Just trying to find ones without any pests or eggs or that much damage that I can't repair. I'm trying to start off with the smaller one because I don't quite understand the care process. Huh? Yes. That one got a big old hole in it. I think it's gonna be this one, y'all. I'm looking for the ones that look the best, so I don't have to do too much doctoring because I'm still new to gardening, so I won't know everything. That one just has a leaf rip. I don't know which one I want. I think it's gonna be these. I think these are gonna be the ones. So let's do it. We just spent $117, but we got some good stuff. Let's get home to plant it.